Let's talk about future tense. How do we make that future tense in Bulgarian? How do we use it? What do we say? Well, in English, we use will in front of the verb to change the tense. How is will in Bulgarian? It is ще. Ще. So we have this ще in front of the verb to change the tense of the verb. Simple, right? Some examples. Ще пиша, ще пиша. I will write. Ще чета, ще чета. I will read. Ще купя, ще купя. I will buy. And some sentences. Ще пиша на Георги. Ще пиша на Георги. I will write to George. Ще пиша на Георги. Ще пиша доклад. Ще пиша доклад. I will write a report. Ще пиша писмо. Ще пиша писмо. I will write a letter. Ще пиша SMS. Ще пиша SMS. I will write a text message. Ще чета. Ще чета. I will read. What? Different things. Ще чета книга. A book. Ще чета списание. A magazine. Ще чета вестник. A newspaper. Now let's see the verb buy. Ще купя мляко. I will buy milk or yogurt. Ще купя книга. A book. Ще купя кола. I'll buy a car. Ще купя кола. Ще купя къща. Ще купя къща. I'll buy a house. Or ще отида на кино. Ще отида на кино. I will go to the cinema. Ще отида на кино. Ще отида на почивка. Ще отида на почивка. I'll go on holiday. Ще отида на почивка. Ще отида у Мария. I'll go over to Maria. Ще отида у Мария. I'll go to her place. Or ще взема чадър. Ще взема чадър. I will take an umbrella because maybe it's going to rain. Ще взема колата. Ще взема колата. I'll take the car. Ще взема колета. Ще взема колета. I'll take the parcel. Now, you can see there is one letter difference between colata and coleta, and they have different meanings. Colata, it's a car. Coleta, it's a parcel. Some more. Ще спя до късно. Ще спя до късно. I'll sleep till late. Ще си легна рано. Ще си легна рано. I will go to bed early. Ще правя упражнения. Ще правя упражнения. I will work out. Okay, so now we know how to make future tense. It's simple. We just add will or ще. How do we make the negative form? or will not? How do we say will not in Bulgarian? Well, we can say не ще, which is perfectly okay, grammatically correct. But you know what? We just say няма. 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 So, няма да спя до късно. Няма да спя до късно. I will not sleep till late. I won't sleep till late. Няма да спя до късно. Няма да си легна рано. Няма да си легна рано. I won't go to bed early. Няма да пиша на Мария. Няма да пиша на Мария. I won't write to Maria. Няма да се видя с Поля. Няма да се видя с Поля. I won't see Поля or I won't meet Поля. Няма да готвя. Няма да готвя. I won't cook. Няма да готвя. It sounds like you are refusing to do something. It sounds like what children say when they say no. Няма. That's what they say. Some more sentences. Няма да чета. Няма да чета. I won't read. Няма да работя. Няма да работя. I won't work. Няма да изляза. Няма да изляза. I won't go out. And so on. You can make your own sentences. But I want to stress one thing. Няма, the negative form that helps to make that future tense negative, is the same as the verb have, or, to be more precise, don't have. So the word or the verb we use to say don't have is also няма. Here I have two examples. Няма да купя мляко. Няма да купя мляко. I won't buy milk or yogurt. And the second sentence. Няма мляко в хладилника. Няма мляко в хладилника. There is no milk in the fridge. So you see the difference. Няма да купя мляко. I am refusing, declining to buy milk. And the second one, няма мляко в хладилника, is a statement that there is no milk in the fridge. And we still use the same word, but we can guess the meaning from the context. So it's easy. It's really, really very easy. I hope you found this video helpful and you learned more about Bulgarian. If so, please like and share the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos to learn more Bulgarian. Also, don't forget to check my other channels and websites. See you next time. Bye bye.